Hello, Aggie, thank you. Follow back my sister. Sister. Follow back ni. Dahil mong pinapalo, oh. Okay, follow back kita. Tralala, tralala. Hi, Dozo. Thank you. You are from? Where are you from? I. Unfollow kita. Umalis ka. Dozo. Unfollow ka lang. Oh. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur. August, September, October, November, December. Somebody told me you believe it. Didn't know. Somebody told me you were happy. You unfollow me. Yes, because you're living in my life. Deserve. Chay. Paano to sa monis mo? Sinong baliw? Mag-unfollow ako mamaya. 100 lang yung ititira. Ay, 150. 150 lang ititira. Mga may kwenta. Hindi na ako magpa-follow ba? Kung sino-sino. Basta, okay man. Hindi pa ako nag-plancha mamaya. Papa 30 minutes lang ako. Ganda ng buhok. Wow. Buhok lang. Hi, Pete! Hello! Mag-aay na siya kapag. How are you, Pete? Mag-aay na siya sa bukas. Wow, thank you! Thank you so much, Pete. Smile to me, even. How are you, Pete? Are you at home? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pete. Thank you so much, Pete. Yes, I sleep so. Okay. Did you eat? No, the kid. No, eh. That's my niece. My niece. My brother's daughter. Did you eat? Thank you so much. My hair is so long. So long. Yes, before I have fish and nuts. Okay, that's good. Yes, I love you. Really. extra fine red. Yes. Thank you. Ayan. Tralaleo, tralala, tung 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 sa. Your Manila you will travel. No, on Wednesday. Ano to? You are Manila. What? In Okada ba? It's long distance. Yes, 4 hours. 4 hours to travel. On bus? Yes. With my classmate. Thank you. Okay, I understand. Yes. Why? Hi, Ghost. Hami too. Tralaleo, tralala, tung 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 sahod.